Hello and welcome back to the 81 Graveyard. Now, there's been a couple of interesting things happening today. So, today's video is going to be about them, and it's also going to be about the bird cloaks. I'll be doing a bit of a look over their alliance. But first, we'll start off with what happened today. So, this morning, we were waiting around for stuff to happen, and our alliance member, Daddy Tug, received a hit from age 53 on an outpost he's currently capturing from the bird cloaks. So this outpost belongs to Kurdnam, just some random multi. So Daddy Tug's capturing that. And age 53 has revealed himself as a multi and tried to interfere and just got absolutely, look at that. Have a look at the hit. This hit is really a pretty good example of their attacking capabilities. So we'll have a look at the front, 18 losses there. Sending 250 level 10 maidens with shields. Only 9 breaching towers, 16 rams, no motors. Surely they all can't be like wave 2, exactly the same. Wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, and wave 6, no motors, all melee. Now look, who the fuck sends, who actually sends melee on the flanks? They're so cooked, wave 6, all the way through that, and it's all level 10 maid that they've killed. So good defense by Daddy Tug against your average Stormcloaks hit. I was online at the time, and I got a couple of hits in. Now, Age didn't have an anti-ghost set up, so that's 12,000 dead main units. And then another 10,000. Others were also hitting at the same time, which is why there weren't too many troops. He had all of his attackers in his outpost. He lost a couple of different types of troops, but a couple of level 10s. He had some more Easter ones in there. Yeah, and he had some more multis in the alliance too. This guy and this guy, they both got, it was one ghost and they were done. 16,000 lost blacksmith troops for 6 wolves, pretty good value. And then I had a look at his sandcastle and realised he had around 32,000 dire wolves there, the nomad wolves, and about 15,000 samurai attackers, a couple of level 10 main troops, and some of his Easter range troops. So he didn't have any ghost on as well, so I just started ghosting that. Taking out the Cloaks multis one by one because they've got all their main accounts birded. Look at this. This is some real Stormcloaks talent. Good old bird cloaks. Look at that. They've got him in flying angels, settling down. I mean, doesn't really have a choice now. He's not got no troops. This camp was around 15 million might when they bought it. It's now barely holding 2. Yeah. Just slowly getting him down. And then there go all those troops. Bit of a waste. Let's just shift hit. Should have some juicy forwarded reports too. As you can see, Josh captured a royal tower from Auntie Sue. The bird cloaks used their multi, and Zav. They capped a couple of royal towers and hit Sanctuary 1. They didn't really do much damage. I think Sanctuary went 1-1 for all the hits, or better than 1-1, which is pretty good. The player Hards, he's been in the server forever. Yeah, he's pretty much untouchable. He has like 22 million defense. The goat Inadu captured an enemy outpost. The capture went through. Now, it's not really a good outpost, but it's right next to Inadu, the tomorrow Pedro's main. So it means he can't get troops back that quickly anymore. The goat orphan hunter was getting hit. Another good example of the bird cloak's talent. Anisu, all ranged. It's pretty pathetic at this point. Like, look at that. Honestly, they're not good troops, but it's just sad to see. It's embarrassing. If I was the leader, I wouldn't be standing for this type of talent in my alliance. Like, really. That is so bad. We have Turtle Hunter. So it looks like an attempt from Anisu to Ghost. Anisu is definitely a real person. Oh, wow. Look at that. You'd think she'd realise after the first Ghost that they weren't going to go through. Yeah, we've just been hitting all the multis because the mains are birded. I don't think they've got any granaries left in the alliance at all. Been looting some mead. Noob on crack. He's very much losing the war. Zev still refusing to defend. He's out of mead now. Josh has loaded it all. He's just refusing to defend. Seems like bitch artist to me, but I'm not too sure. Another Arnie Sue report. I've caught Arnie Sue with troops at home a couple of times this war too. Zav not defending. Looks like Josh has been hitting some Royal Barons too. Para 54, he's new, he joined us from the Alchemists. Great addition to the team, Para is. More Curdunum hits. See, we don't have that many targets, which is quite unfortunate. That was Josh's hit against Age. I did slightly better, but I have more ghosts. Have a look at his commander. Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. Then Daddy Tug sent an attack on his main after a pin ghosted down. Sent an attack on his outpost. Very good ratio. There were quite a few defenders in there too. I think it was all defenders. Yeah, all defenders. So good rate hit by Joshy. Look at that. That shit's just sad. See, it's not even a bad. Not even. Oh, there's no courtyard. No, they've got 95 courtyard. Yeah, see, aside from the courtyard, it's not a bad. Not a bad Castellan. The golden memento AS. Look at him. Oh, look at that ratio. Memento has got to be the MVP for Black Souls. Honestly. Look at that. Unmatched. I wish someone else would have thought of hitting those targets before he did. Another day, another save, not defending. Not even looting resources from him anymore. But yeah, so that's what's happened today with Age. We'll now have a look at all of the Bird Cloaks members. And I think as I'm going through the list of members, I'll edit in a couple of ratios that Sanctuary, Souls, and Alks have got on the players. Some will have more than others. So we've got Steve Small P. He's definitely not on my point hoarder. I've got to say he always goes for big targets, sends risky hits. I respect it. No, I don't think he's hit anyone big this war. Got Moshi. Moshi, her name stands for Mushy Brain, and it makes a lot of sense. She is letting Pedro and Steve get used like a chew toy by the whole server. She got completely abused by Cicero. Ratioed so many times. And she's wailed up on Easter decos for nothing. Got the recruitment speed ones. Really pointless because she can't do shit with them. She can't be a real person. She's lost all her outposts this war, been wiped so many times. It's actually sad. But it's painful to see. We have Zave. Only one doing shit there, so I respect that at least. Famous John. Mr. Fire Castellan, my neighbour. He's rebuild a little more. He's very, very slowly rebuilding. He got dragged. He got used by Sanctuary 1 as a tutor a couple of days before we entered the war. Now I've just been counting down the days for when his bird ends, but he'll probably open gate everywhere anyway. He's still housing the spectre of the deep decorations. Wailed up a little bit. Yeah, he got completely destroyed by Maxi. Oh, I've got to upgrade Maxi to number 1 war player on the server at this point. He got completely destroyed by Maxi. It was quite impressive, the reports. You'll see them edited in here. Who do we have next? Next on the list of talent. Max has not been unbirded. I don't think he's defended a single hit. He's done nothing this war. He's just still here. This insignificant guy. And pretty bad at the game. He just knows how to spend. He's been a bird. They're all in birds. pretty depressing, actually. We've got nothing to do except just wait for their birds to end and wait for them to rebird again. Yeah, he's been ratioed quite a lot. Quite unfortunate for him. Then we've got Big Orion 21. He got destroyed at the start of the war. He was unbirded, then open gated every castle for 3 days straight before rebirding. He sent me a message. He obviously doesn't know what stationing troops is, because I don't know at any level 40s that hold as much as I do. But he said he's going to be seeing me, so I don't know. I don't think you can activate a bird and then 1 hour later say you're going to be seeing someone. So I guess I've got a long wait to prepare for him. Let's have a look at exactly what he's holding right now. Considering his alliance's track record, he'll move on me, forget to change out a nomad defense, won't station troops, and then he'll be wiped. I'm guessing he probably holds all his attackers in his outposts, so that's good to remember. Elnadu has some outposts on him. I think one of his outposts too, from memory. Or this guy just does not attack. That would make sense. But yeah, he's going to be coming for me, so I'd better watch out. We have next Kal-El. She hit a couple of our members initially. Just a shared account passed around. Multi. Moved on a royal tower, hasn't captured it yet, I don't think. So pretty pointless if you ask me. Just another multi. They've got no shortage of multis. The bird cloaks. Sue. I'll leave it up here a minute so that we can go through her finest hours, best battle reports. She's popped another bird. Waste of rubies, birding a multi. No, it doesn't even have any troops. Originally it was called Uncle Dave, but then they made up a story about how Dave died, so his wife Sue took over. I think this guy might be retired. Chop 214. Out of bed for a while, cannot defend. He got carved up by Cicero. He really got his stuff handed to him by Cicero and Elnadu. Elnadu forced him into bed with a close proximity, I think. Viking Cat, I miss the original owner. He was actually good at the game. The account's fallen off since then. Same with Noob. Scanderbeg, I can't really say anything bad about this guy. He was my former alliance leader. Nice fellow. He understands that his leaders are pretty dumb with this war. Timmy Dungai, old Timmy's birded. Ruins. Nothing to hit. Empty account. Lost an outpost. And losing an outpost and nothing to hit. These are the mighty warriors we're up against. Pretty intimidating, really, when you have a look at the rankings against these guys. Pretty daunting prospect, having to go up against guys who aren't attacking or defending. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you